Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk through how to configure Trello's card aging settings. This feature can help you see at a glance how long a card has been inactive, which is super useful for staying on top of your tasks and projects. First things first, you'll need to open up Trello and navigate to the board where you want to apply the card aging. Now, why do we do this step? It's because the card aging setting is applied at the board level, not across all your Trello boards. Once you're on the right board, click on the Show Menu button on the right-hand side of the screen. This will open up a sidebar with various options. Now let me explain why this matters. This is where you can customize the settings of your board, including the card aging. Next up, click on Power-Ups. The reason we do this is because card aging is considered a power-up in Trello. It's an additional feature that you can enable to enhance your Trello experience. Then find the card aging power-up and click Enable. This helps us because it turns on the card aging feature for the selected board. Now that we've done that, you'll see two options for how the cards will age: regular and pirate. The regular mode will gradually fade cards that haven't been updated, while the pirate mode will make them look cracked and torn. Choose the one that suits your preference, and you're all set. So there you have it. You've just configured Trello's card aging settings. By using this feature, you can easily visualize how long each card has been inactive, helping you better manage your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.